Welcome to Engineering Funda family. This video is a part of Network Theory lecture series, and in this video I'll be going to explain you a relation of quality factor with damping factor. In my previous video I have already explained what is quality factor for series RLC circuit. Right. Now in this video I'll explain you how we can identify relation of quality factor with damping factor, and here I'll be deriving this relation with respect to series RLC circuit, but this is applicable to parallel RLC circuit also, right? So at last whatever formula that I'm going to derive, that is also applicable to parallel RLC circuit, right? So let us try to understand first what is impedance which is there with series RLC circuit. So for series RLC circuit we have already seen that impedance, that is R plus XL plus XC. Now here this impedance that I will be writing in terms of Laplace domain. So resistance R will be R only, but you see this XL that will be S into L in terms of Laplace domain, and this XC in Laplace domain that will be 1 by SC. Now here let us simplify this impedance further. So Z, that is, if you take SC as LCM, then you will be having S square LC plus SRC plus 1 divided by SC. Now if you write this numerator in terms of S square, then you will be having Z is equals to S square plus, now I am taking LC common, right? So I can say now you will be having S into R by L plus 1 by LC, and what I will be doing is I will be dividing this LC in denominator. So you will be having S divided by L over here. So this is my impedance which is there for series RLC circuit. If you observe numerator, so that is second order equation. Now you should know what is standard second order system which is there with any network. It may be electrical network, it may be mechanical network. So for second order system, I will be explaining you what will be standard equation. Our characteristic equation for second order system, you will be observing that will be S square plus 2 zeta omega n S plus omega n square is equals to 0. This is what standard equation that you will be going to study in great detail with control engineering, or you can say control system. Now with this equation, what I will be doing is I will be comparing this equation with numerator of this impedance Z. So if you observe here, if you compare these two equation, then you see omega n square that is equals to 1 by LC, that I can directly say, right? So here all I can say is omega n square that is equals to 1 by LC by comparing these two equation. So I can say omega n that is 1 by square root of LC. So what I can say is my natural angular frequency, which is resonance frequency, that is 1 by square root of LC, which we have already derived for series RLC circuit. That is also happening over here as per this second order standard system equation, right? Now if you compare this middle term, then you see we will be having 2 zeta omega n that is equals to R by L. So all I can say is zeta is equals to R by L into 1 by 2 omega n. Now here you should know this zeta is damping factor, right? And that is what we are dealing with to establish in terms of quality factor. So here omega n that we have already calculated, that is 1 by square root of LC. So if I substitute that, then damping factor will be R by L into square root of LC divided by 2 over here. Now here you see this half that is I am taking outside, and R into, if I divide this square root of L over here, then I can say this will be square root of C by L, right? So that is how zeta is there with us. Now if you see my last video in which I have already explained what is quality factor. So that is 1 by R into square root of L by C. So quality factor for series connection, that is 1 by R into square root of L by C. So you see here, this is opposite of this, means what I can say is zeta is equals to 1 by 2 into quality factor, right. Quality factor is 1 by R into square root of L by C. So if you substitute that over here, you can have damping constant, that is 1 by 2 quality factor. And whenever you will be studying damping factor in control engineering, at that time you will be studying that when zeta is less than 1, at that time you will be having underdamped system, and when you have quality factor less than half, at that time you will be having overdamped system. That is happening as per this relation only, you see, right. So zeta less than 1, that will be underdamped, zeta greater than 1, that will be overdamped, and zeta is equals to 1, that will be critically damped. That is happening as per this relation only, right. So in control engineering you will be studying this zeta in great detail. So I think now it is clear to you how relation of damping constant is there along with quality factor, and this relation that is applicable for series as well as parallel connection. So it is not like you will have to remember other formula for parallel connection, it is applicable to any circuit. Only difference is whenever you derive resonance frequency, at that time only there are some differences which is there in parallel connection, that I will cover it in example, so it will be more clear. And in next video I will be going to explain you essential formulas for series and parallel RLC connection, and those formulas that will be very useful to you to solve problems directly for short questions, and for 2 to 3 steps questions how to identify AC circuit parameter. For that also I have prepared some examples, so that will resolve your understanding.